Today I'm going to show you how you can use SHAREit app on Android to Android. So let's start from the opening Google Play Store and look for the SHAREit Lite app. Install it and open on both devices. Agree the terms and click on the Allow. Now you have to add a permission to the files. Then go back and now choose the Send and Receive. Select the files that you want to share. You can choose the internal storage if you want to send something from your phone storage, like something from the download folder. Select the files that you want to send by clicking on the circle or just a file. Now click on the Send. And now you have to add the permissions, so click on the Open and add a permission. And repeat this process. Now you have to look for the SHAREit app and click on the Allow. Then go back and click on the Next. Now add a permission to the camera and choose Receive on second device. Now you have to do it like before on this device. Click on the Next and show the QR code to your sender device. As you can see, transfer process starts automatically, and this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, a comment, and goodbye.